The pandemic has affected everyone in some way, and it's been tough and seemingly endless. But through it all, we have seen real spirit, resourcefulness, compassion and relentless endeavour, and it has brought the very best out in so many people. Today, I and my fellow colleagues want to acknowledge everyone who has played a part, done their bit and more to keep others safe. Thanks to those who've been working in health and social care and care homes, where our most vulnerable adults and children have been reliant on us to keep them safe. I know many of you have made many sacrifices, sometimes changing roles, locations, to do what was needed to keep people safe. I could not forget to also thank our partner organisations who stood shoulder to shoulder with us throughout, each playing their own vital role in our combined response to protect the public. It has been humbling to see thousands of people step forward, not only at the beginning of the pandemic, but continuously since then, volunteering their time, their energy to help others. So thank you all, you have been amazing.
Well, like many others around the country today, I want to thank all the wonderful volunteers who have come forward to support those in need throughout the pandemic. You know, in Northamptonshire, over 14,000 volunteers registered to help others. Some did it individually and some did it as part of community or faith groups. But all in all, this has been an incredible response and one which reflects the great generosity of spirit that makes me proud to live in our wonderful county. So thank you if you delivered food, parcels or medication to those who are clinically vulnerable or isolating, or if you contributed any other form of support and kindness. Thanks to every single person who has done something, however large or small, to support our communities through these very difficult times.
Thank you to all the residents of Northamptonshire. Thank you for sticking with us throughout this pandemic. I know how hard it's been for everybody, and we wouldn't have made the progress that we've made if it wasn't for all of you. So thank you for following guidance. Thank you for isolating to stop the onward transmission, even when that has meant that you haven't been able to see your loved ones. And I know how difficult that has been, because without you supporting us and listening and sharing information and doing the right thing, we wouldn't be able to look forward to the better days that we've got ahead. So thank you from the very bottom of my heart.
Thank you to all of the residents of Northamptonshire after what has been a challenging year and start to 2021. Thank you to all the teachers who have continued to work hard to teach our children across the whole of the area. But also thank you to the parents who had to deal with 2 sessions of homeschooling and also the challenges of the pandemic. And finally, thank you to all staff who have been flexible and continue to deliver the important services for all our residents, businesses and communities. Thank you to you all.
I'd like to thank our businesses for their efforts in keeping their staff, employees all safe through this COVID pandemic. I'd like to thank town centre staff as well for the many colourful stickers that appeared on footpaths and signs that appeared on lampposts to enforce the message around social distancing to keep everybody safe. I'd like to thank our staff working across our waste recycling points and on our highways for the way that you changed the way you did your work throughout the pandemic. I'd like to thank you for your support to everyone who has helped contain the virus, to reduce the spread of this virus as well, and to keep people safe.